You've been warned. Be on your best behavior. Some of you need to be better than your best behavior. What? Did it not change my titles? Oh my god. That's so frustrating. It literally says it changed it. What the fuck? Alright, there we go. We should be good. Alright, Sunrun. Let's take a look. Sunrun is just blowing through all my targets. Let me extend my targets here. Pretty far away, but 70, 78, 73, 50 would be the next targets. It looks like he wants to pull back, though. Probably pull back to like 59. Let me see. Yeah, probably around 60, 59. Fill that gap. There's a gap down to 61. Unless it holds the pivot, which is 62.90. If it holds that pivot, it looks pretty good. Man, the market's full retrace after that fucking pump. What a scam. Hey, Mantel was running. It was almost back above 51.
Intel curse, baby.
There you go. We said it.
So it's fair to say, every time we see Intel running, prepare to get the markets nuked.
It's like 20 out of 20 so far.
Literally, every time Intel puts in a new high, the market fucking dumps. It
All
does
right,
not
looks
want
like
us to win this Intel trade. It doesn't want us to have our OTG conference in Vegas.
Well, that shit's happening, bro.
We gotta find the trade to endorse it. Amron failed. Intel slightly failing. Facebook's nuking, man. Facebook looks like it's
I
gonna
actually
go.
want to get in on Facebook.
I tried. I was gonna set up an Iron Condor, but it's too sketch. 260, 275. It looks like it wants to test that. You get below that, it's gonna die. Probably down to like 260, 258.
Yeah, I was thinking about like a 258, 259 bounce.
Yeah, if you bought here, you would need a tight stop loss because it's pretty sketch. You're playing out like a head and shoulders almost. Could go all the way down to fill that gap, to be honest. 230.
Yeah, I was looking at that, dude. That shit's terrifying.
Yeah, that could be the target, to be honest.
What the fuck, man? This market just reversed.
Yeah, Spotify completely reversed. You're back above that daily pivot and the 4-hour pivot. That's why I don't like shorting extended moves like that, because it did look very bearish, but it was due for some buyers. Fed meeting fucked you. Basically, Fed meetings, you're trading news across the board. No matter what stock you're in, you're damn near, you're trading news.
Dude, Kiff, I wish they would have added a thumbs down button on Facebook years ago.
What, do they have one now?
Nah, he just posted a GIF of
Yeah.
thumbs down. That should be great.
Intel's hitting that daily fucking pivot again. I have so many levels on Intel, goddamn, I need to delete some. Hitting a 4-hour pivot too. That's not good. Every time it goes up, market tanks. And now Intel's full retracing. Oh god, the markets are dying. Literally, I gave the blood of VIX. And now VIX
Is VIX going up?
Oh, it's skyrocketing now. Oh, I hate VIX with a passion. I had 2 more days to wait. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it.
Oh, buddy, yeah. We're fucking nuking.
Once it broke that line I posted, it's downhill from there.
Yeah, ES is below 3390. 3372 would be the next target. What a fucking dirty, dirty candle. That's the market for you.
Am I the only one sitting on puts?
Really good news. Market shoots up and then boom. See you later. SPY's testing a 50-minute pivot.
Deja, I have a quick question about selling premium.
Yep.
Can you hear me?
Yep. I can hear you now.
How often do you hit the max profit?
From the last like 2 weeks that I've been doing it, I have not been hitting max profit because I'm selling it early. But a couple of those I could have held on to and they would have hit max profit. But when I was doing it way back, when I used to sell premium back in like March, or it was like what, March, April, somewhere around there, I was hitting max profit pretty often. It just all depends on what levels you use. Like that Tesla trade that I took, it could have been max profit. I think I had one on UNG, would have been max profit if I held on to it. So it all depends on, is it worth holding till max profit? Because I closed most of them around like 60 to 70%. But like AMD, for example, I have an 80% chance to get to max profit. You're lagging. Your mic's lagging. Looks like VIX could get it to max profit if I held on to that.
I just got off Wi-Fi. Sorry, I just got off Wi-Fi.
Yeah, what were we saying?
So you could size them however big you want. If I want to toss 10K on it, 70% would be 7K.
Yeah, basically. Well, no, if your credit that you receive is 10K, 70% profit would be 7K.
Dude, shit is tanking, huh?
Yeah, the market's just completely reversed.
Told you, it's these fucking questions, man. Happens every time.
And typically, how many weeks does it take for you to sell and realize the 60, 70%, whatever?
It depends on what day you're selling. I like to sell within 2 weeks, so I'll sell the current Friday or the next Friday. A lot of other traders like going pretty far out so they can get more time premium. But I don't like doing that. I like selling short term.
Meeting went good. Fucking questions start. Shit reverses.
But like Tesla, for example, that was like an extreme example. I got in that trade the next day, we were up 70%. So depending on how quickly it goes in your favor, you can make that really quickly. It's all about time decay, though. You gotta let it go for at least like half the sun. So like if I held for 2 weeks, I would want to, or if I had a 2-week contract, I would want to hold it for at least a week. Like let the theta burn it out. I try to hold it for at least half the length of the contract, unless it just gives you my profit like immediately, which is rare. So like Walmart, I'm holding Walmart right now. It expires on Friday. I have a 63% chance to get max profit, but currently right now I'm break even. So and it's in my favor to hold it until Friday.
You guys see this on Tesla? 4 hour
What's it doing?
flagging. Pennant.
Yeah, it's still holding that pivot I was talking about too, 442. What happens every time, Eileen? You talking about like the Fed meeting? Yeah, it's irritating as hell.
It's the questions, dude.
You just never know when to trust it. Like it will pump and it's like, oh yeah, this is the time. It will just keep going. Nope, dead.
Fake out, dude.
It's
Traps
ridiculous.
New buyers.
Yeah.
Always
There's
traps new
900
buyers.
There was $938 million in Facebook dark pool today.
It always fakes you out too because like the meeting was bullish. So when it starts going up, you're like, okay, that's normal because it's supposed to go up. So it traps you and then nope, goes down.
Yeah, Facebook bounces tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day. If we come down a little bit more, or possibly a small gap down tomorrow, it bounces.
What worries me is I was telling Castro, we were looking at the same thing. Look at that gap below you. It looks like it's making a big head and shoulders into that gap.
Dude, Luca just unplugged the fan from the wall. I shit you not, dude. He was tearing up the fucking wire and he pulled it out of the wall. You fucker.
Yeah, I'd say if you get below 260 with good value, you're gonna nuke.
You think the fucking reptile lets this go right here?
Oh yeah, I think if it goes below 260, it's gonna die. Unless it puts in like a bull div.
I do want to take Facebook calls though, far dated. At one point.
You do have a big bull div right now on the 15-minute. 1 hour no bull div, 4 hour bull. 4 hour does have a bull div. Daily no div. Daily's on the 50 moving average though. Right at 260, so like right where I said. If it breaks that 260, it's fucking dunzo.
Dude, so we sold the fucking top on Chewy. We sold the top on GRWG. What else? Do we sell the top on Starbucks too? Sold his top on fucking Starbucks.
Look at Chewy 15 minute. It's like fucking literally on that pivot for 1, 2, 3, 4, like 10 fucking candles.
We got out of perfect timing today, boys.
Yeah, 10 candles. It's been riding this pivot.
I don't want to hear about any fucking bag holding today.
Dude, Chewy still, like, end of the week looks juicy for that $60
Yeah.
target.
Luca, fucker, stop. I think I'm gonna buy another Frenchie. You talked me into it, Castro.
I'm telling you, it makes the most sense. It'll make your life easier. Not at first.
Frenchie or TV?
Frenchie, bro. What the hell?
Oh, is that
Yeah.
the decision now?
The Frenchie will last more than Frenchie will last longer, right?
And you'll be happier with another Frenchie, bro.
That's true.
You gonna buy another boy?
Yeah, I would never get a female dog. I don't want to deal with all the female problems. Putting a fucking diaper on it and stuff.
That's only if you don't spay him, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Everything on my watch list looks like it's ready to recover. Neo, Intel, Walmart, AMD, they're all holding up. AMD has a big bull div coming in. Falling wedge bull div on AMD. Well, it's more of a channel almost. A really wide wedge or a channel?
Hey, come down to off topic real quick.
Me?
I think you, bro.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think we should ban him too.
Yeah, for sure. Really starting to piss me off.
No, yeah, I feel you. We'll give him one more time.
All right.
You guys are canning me.
So did they say anything about them buying treasury bonds and all that mortgage shit they were doing?
Yeah.
Did they say they were going to continue to prop the market up, or they say they're done with that?
Yeah, he said they're gonna keep propping it 130 billion a month in loaning programs.
Money bag.
Excuse me.
Bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Bless you.
These vaccine companies are coming back, man. INO getting a shit ton of calls today.
Yeah, NVAX, INO.
NVAX,
How's
yeah.
mRNA? Yeah, look, NVAX was fucking ripping today.
Yep.
Dude, 30%? I know it's up 30%.
Is it? It's getting a lot of calls today, dude.
Fuck I am.
175,000.
Holy fuck, look at that chart, dude, that gap fill.
What the
Oh, that is a
fuck
gap
I am.
fill. Clean.
Look at mRNA.
Why does your voice keep going out, Deja?
Does it?
What keeps going out?
His voice?
You mean like I'm losing my voice or lagging?
Losing.
Oh, that's just normal, dude. I don't know. I can't figure it out. I just naturally have a rough voice. It only started happening the past like 2 years. It started happening mainly after I had like really bad acid reflux. So I think it like tore my fucking throat up. Agars, you said they will keep buying? Nice. The market doesn't seem to like that though, sadly. We'll see if we made the right decision on AMD, guys. We got greedy. I could have closed it for like 60%. I had my order out there. It would have got filled.
Yeah, INO's a beast right now, dude.
But
I'm
I
just
figured
fucking
that
with this.
I would hold it for max profit. Yeah, I do talk all day, so it doesn't help for sure.
Yeah, dude, my fucking throat gets sore too at the end of the day.
Past 2 years, I've been streaming a lot more than normal. And I had like really bad acid reflux, so I don't think it helps.
The coffee will help.
Yeah, they say like honey. Honey is good. Tea helps. I fucking hate tea though.
Yeah, so
Hot tea.
you have us talking all day, and then the fucking COD at the end of the day just puts the icing on the fucking cake.
Yeah, it does.
You want to know something? And maybe a Hispanic thing or whatever, but if you ever have issues with your throat, get some warm up some Coke and put honey in it and drink that.
Coke?
Yeah,
Like
Coke
like
and
cocaine?
honey.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, I
not
gotcha.
Coke. Coca-Cola.
I gotcha. I'm just fucking.
I do that with tea, dude. Yeah, when you're fucking screaming at people that they're dog shit fucking 30 times in a fucking 5-minute span, usually blows the throat out.
I don't usually scream at people unless they're talking shit and I'm beating their ass.
Not like me.
Like those kids that were talking shit and I fucking slapped them around. I talk shit then. That's about it.
Snort the Coke and then pour the honey down your throat. Coke will numb it.
Yeah, every time I say my throat hurts, everyone's always like, this fucking use honey, man. Put honey in water or some shit. It's not that my throat's dry either, because I've literally, I've already been through like 40 ounces of water already.
I really thought you were gonna say 40 ounces of cocaine.
No.
I'm sorry. I got a bad
SC
mind.
is flying right now. I don't know what this is, but it's on my scanners. Oh, this is not what the hell? SC? This is not the same thing. SC. Oh, this one right here. Thing's breaking out of a long consolidation too.
Looks like financials are holding up.
SC Consumer.
Financials, industrials, both look like they're holding up.
Yeah, let me look at the sectors.
Tech's taking the biggest hit.
Dude, look at energy. Oil's flying, man. Energy's up
Yeah,
4%. Is USO still going? Yeah. Looking pretty good.
Why is PayPal down so much? SQ still holding up, dude. Still sitting on that pivot.
Coke got murdered.
This is what I was talking about earlier today, guys. With like these whipsaws in the market, these normally fucking butcher your premium if you're buying. But because I'm selling, this helps my premium for the most part. Any sideways action that is still above my strike price is good for me.
jumped on my chair straight to my nuts, dude.
Oh, he's big enough to get up?
No, like he put his front paws on the chair.
Is that him barking at you? Bank of America just got a block trade, slightly bearish. Tesla just got a big block trade, no direction. Comcast just got one as well, bullish. GE just got one, bearish. Carnival just got, no, this is an old one, never mind.
Sorry, what did Tesla get?
Block trade, no direction, big block trade, over 250,000 shares.
Oh, but you don't know. Which
No, it
direction.
just says trading between, so there's no no direction on it.
And you don't have Cheddar?
That doesn't show the type of trades I'm talking about.
Oh.
They traded at 445.78. So 445.74. That's where the block trade was executed.
Everything's just fucking melting right now.
I literally closed VIX at the bottom. I put up with this torture for fucking like 4 days and closed it at the bottom. I'm a dickhead. KM, if you're buying options, sideways action hurts you every time. Because your theta is burning you. Theta is not good for buyers, it's good for sellers.
It's funny. I blow like smoke rings with my vape, and he chases them. And he tries to bite them out of the air.
Dude, the market's faked out so hard. You guys know what's green on the day? IWM. The dog shit index.
Fuck IWM. Thank God we close those positions. Keep us green for the day.
What do you mean, KM? You said that you have no clue how it exits. What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean. Gold and silver taking a beating. Dude, holy shit, ever since I dwindled down my watch list, it's so much less stressful. AMD, fucking relax.
Yeah, I've done that before, Huss. Not with 10, but with my other dog. Holy shit, everything is red now.
Oh, I got you, KM. Looks like we made it. We might have made the wrong decision on AMD if it continues to fall like this. This is where being greedy gets you. I don't think it should be red tomorrow because the news is still bullish.
Market's rolling over real hard, dude.
The problem is the daily on ES and the daily on SPY look fucking horrible. And what did I tell you guys yesterday? If this was going to be a bull trap, it was going to fail either yesterday or today. And look at what it did. Today failed, so this could be a big bull trap. I think if SPY breaks yesterday's low before the close, it's bad news. But so far, it's staying above it. Yesterday's low is 338.47.
Four-hour auto SR.
Oh, we're bouncing off one?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, the Trump press conference could probably help us out as well.
Is it
Actually,
on today?
today's low was a daily auto SR.
I think, yeah, I think he's talking at like 5 or some shit.
I gotta take him out real quick. He's going fucking crazy, dude.
Gotcha.
I'll be back in like 15 minutes. You hear this little bitch crying?
Yeah, I hear him barking.
Come on, let's go.
What do you think of Tesla, Deja? I don't know if someone already asked.
It looks good as long as it stays above 442. What's it at now?
444.
Yeah, I think there's a pivot at 442. It's been testing it all day. As long as it stays above that, it should be okay. If it stays above 455, it's gonna rocket. What happened to my upper? I lost my upper levels. Fuck did my levels go? Not sure why my levels got deleted, but if it gets above that level, it should go to 472 and 498. AMD bouncing, Walmart still holding. Dude, the Intel curse is fucking strong. We put in a new high today on Intel, really strong high. Look what it did to the market. Multiple White House staff test positive for coronavirus. That was 2 hours ago. That's gonna rip. You see, they were saying by April of next year they could have every single American vaccinated. They said the vaccine should be done within the next, month or two. Yeah, let me get in line to take that super rushed vaccine. We talked about it before, but if you guys don't know, you guys take the vaccine and get some health complications, you cannot sue the government for those problems. There's already precedent that says you cannot. To take the vaccine at your own risk. It's the same way in the UK. Oh, I bet it's the same way everywhere. The government wouldn't issue vaccines if they weren't protected. What I think is going to happen is everyone in the US, you guys know what I'm talking about. When you sign up for like college or even like middle school, I don't think it was in elementary school, but in middle school, high school, college, anything like that, you're forced to take vaccines or have these vaccines on your record, or they won't let you enroll. I think coronavirus is going to be one of those vaccines. I think they're going to get everybody with it. I can't remember exactly what the vaccines are, but it's tuberculosis is one of them, and there's two more that most Americans have to do if you want to go into higher learning, or even some cases lower learning, like high school, middle school. Tesla lost 442. That's not good. Probably going to start leading Neo down.
I might short if it doesn't close above it. Just for a quick swing.
Yeah, the dailies are pretty ugly. Looks like it wants to fill that gap down to 420.
Yeah, it's got a long way down after that run up. I don't know. I mean, Tesla's never a good idea.
Yeah, don't ever look at after hours if you're shorting Tesla.
Deja, what's the support here on SPY?
SPY, I don't have much mapped out, but ES 3372, so about probably 337 on SPY. You got 400 puts, Omar? Yeah, 400's a little low, man. I think 420 is more reasonable. The issue is for Corona, you'll have to revaccinate. Some say like every 3 months. Yeah, that's fucking atrocious. No, thank you.
What? Who said this? Is this in the UK or US?
Somebody in my Twitch chat.
Every 3 months? That's not happening. No, sir.
Dude, I don't even think a lot of people are going to take the vaccine, period.
Oh, well, period. Not to speak of fucking every 3 months. What? Nah. That should be a one-time fucking vaccine.
I got you, Omar. Yeah, most vaccines are like, what, every 3 years or some shit?
Damn, shut the
3 to
hell up.
5 years. Support on SPY would be 3386, which we're tapping perfectly. And we have some around 332, which is really fucking low. 3335. 3366. And we're currently sitting on one as well.
I feel like Fauci would need to say something bad for us to go to 332.
Yeah, I don't think there should be continuation tomorrow. We'll see. I think it's just a shakeout. It was a pretty nasty shakeout though.
On Friday.
What's that?
Quadruple witching on Friday.
Yeah, I don't know about that. We did research on the triple witching and it was typically very bullish.
Yeah.
And then it wasn't bullish. We got fucking wrecked.
Yep.
So who knows?
Dude, I'm so tempted to take this Tesla fucking put.
So far,
420.
right now, this pullback is pretty strong on SPY. Nice little doji bounce. VIX is bleeding out again, so it's not. I don't really care that I sold my position. Walmart holding strong. I think Walmart's gonna have a massive week next week, either up or down, because this consolidation is dirty.
Let's just hope to the upside.
Anything above 136, I'll make max profits, so I'm happy right now. What do I think about Battery Day? I'm playing Battery Day, but I'm playing it on Neo. Battery Day
Neo.
should be pretty bullish.
Neo, Tesla, WWR, PLM. There's a couple of plays for Battery Day.
Workhorse.
Workhorse. Nikola, dare I say.
No. You like losing money.
Listen, man, Deja, if you were up for it, if you were a real DJ, you would have taken that bet with me. Nikola to $100, 6 months. Even with all the bad news.
I might take that bet now if you still want to. SEC looking into them.
Don't give it away.
Yeah, I shouldn't have said that.
I'll think about it.
Fucking SEC's gonna slap them. GM said they're pulling out of their deal too.
Oh well, apparently that GM thing was someone was spreading rumors just because we were shorting Nikola. Man, I hate Twitter. Man.
No, the GM thing.
When you have
the
a lot
GM
of
thing seemed like it
followers-
was real. I think the people said they were pulling out.
No, it was fake. It was fake. GM never said that.
I thought I
It
saw
was
something
fake.
on Twitter. One of their guys said that they were pulling out.
No, it was fake. Someone was spreading that rumor because he was shorting Nikola. Fucking terrible.
So hold on, the whole GM thing was fake, or just them pulling out was fake?
No, GM pulling out was fake.
So the GM thing's real. Them pulling out is fake.
The GM buying a stake in Nikola is real. Them pulling out as a result of the bad news is fake.
Okay.
That hasn't happened yet. It could very well.
The miscommunication is wonderful.
Gotcha. Yeah, sure. You're talking about me and him.
Yeah, it's fucking hilarious because I know what's being said, but just ambiguity is.
I just have to clarify for stream, man.
Jesus, Castro, go fucking cook dinner or something. Fuck off.
Yeah, what is it like?
Hey,
It's
what-
like 12
bro,
p.m. Go eat lunch, dude.
Sure, dinner, dude. It's 12:47.
Go open your window and get some smoke in your fucking room.
Wow.
Wow, Deja,
That's
that
fucked up,
was
dude.
me. That was me, dude.
Dude, I could potentially have a health fucking issue from that, man.
Yeah, go outside. Oh wait.
Dude, I haven't been able to go on any runs, dude, in the last fucking week, dude. It's actually terrible, and I can't even order a Peloton. 28 weeks out. Dude.
ask him what you need to do to get at the front of the line.
Oh, that
Tell
sounds
him
dirty.
you'll give him some stock advice or something.
No, I feel like it's gonna go way worse than stock advice. He's gonna want like a PP touch or something.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, is Spotify finally helping you guys? It's starting to play out. Rhino, take a few of those zeros off and I'm down.
So what, like 1 or 10?
Yeah, exactly.
Fucking lazy ass.
Hindenburg also are a bit short sell scammers. I don't know, man. From what the Discord was saying, they're saying every time they came out with a report, they were pretty accurate. SEC's a slap on the wrist. I don't know about that one either. Because if half the shit that people are saying about Nikola is true, the SEC is going to fuck him over. Let alone all of it. I'm a perma bear for Nikola, though. And it's not even like I've lost money on Nikola. I've only traded Nikola one time and I made money on that trade. I just think the company's dog shit. I think people are just... They think that they missed their chance to get into Tesla when it was at like $100. And then it went to a fucking $1,000. And they think that Nikola is going to be their chance to get in because they missed Tesla. And they're comparing these two companies that are non-comparable. I can't leave my fucking house without seeing 3 Teslas on the road. Nikola doesn't even have a factory. And people are comparing the companies.
There's like 5 Teslas in my parking garage in my apartment.
Speculation.
Yeah. Yeah, but the speculation is unwarranted. The speculation is only there because Tesla exists. They're comparing it to Tesla. They think it can be what Tesla is. Which, I mean, that's kind of what we're doing in NIO. But NIO actually is backed by the Chinese government, and they have fucking cars. They have factories.
And they have Johnny Dips.
Yeah, and they got Johnny Dips chilling.
He's actually not here today.
No, he was here. I think he was at the gym.
He needs to fucking burn off all those McNuggets and Oreo milkshake. Jesus. His insides must be dead.
His insides are dead, but his wallet's fat, man. Look at Mickey D's.
Are they still going up?
He's been calling Mickey D's for like 2 weeks, and it's just straight up. Everyone ignores Johnny. But he's been saying Mickey D's how many times? Every day we've been hearing Mickey D's.
I'm not gonna lie, as annoying as that was, he did call it. So good for him.
Mickey D's and NIO. He
NIO.
did it with Boeing too, but he did it back when Boeing was dying. So Boeing, he's like 2 for 3 right now.
Yeah, Boeing fucked him pretty bad. I think Boeing has screwed everyone up.
Yeah. I had 2 really good trades on Boeing, and then I've lost on basically.
Yeah, I saw that. They tried to say that their only revenue was from installing fucking solar panels into their CEO's home or their factory or some shit. Oh, it wasn't their factory. Sorry, they don't have a factory. So it was their CEO's home. How do you put that on your fucking balance sheet as a revenue when you're an electric car company? The guy is like legit comparable to the people that we see on crypto Twitter, the ICO scams, the fucking exchange scams. He is equivalent to that, and they allowed him.
Lopez, bro.
He is, and they allowed him to go
EV.
public.
Ty Lopez of EV.
They shouldn't, and they said this too. Like one of their managers just said this last week, or I think it was yesterday. They said that they went public way too early. No shit. You're photoshopping vehicles and you don't have a factory, but you went public on the stock market. It's incredible.
Castro, did you see this Kanye tweet?
Yeah, dude, I did. He's pissing on his Grammys.
What the
Did you
fuck?
Wow.
Did you see the picture of Drake?
No. Let me see it.
Oh god.
That's fucking great, dude.
The internet is fucking amazing.
The internet is
Amazing.
undefeated, bro.
That guy's having a mental breakdown.
Yeah, he's in a mood.
Dude, man, no matter how, so there's 2 sets of people who have feelings about Kanye. You either think he's a super genius or you think he's fucking mental.
He's a genius. There's no doubt about that.
Yeah, but
He's
most
just
geniuses have mental
batshit
breakdowns because they
crazy.
can't handle being that smart.
I don't think Kanye falls into that category. I mean, what
I mean, if
I
you're
don't know,
saying
man.
he's a genius,
I think
I
he's a
don't think he's
genius.
a genius.
Dude, his music's
I
fucking
don't think
amazing.
so.
either you think he's a genius or you're wrong.
Used to be.
His music
His
used to be amazing. Not anymore.
There we go. JMA summed it up. His music, dude. I was the biggest Kanye fan. Then he
Yeah.
just went all downhill
Yeah,
with
he's
this
dog shit
whole
now.
Harriet Tubman, blonde hair, Kim K, and then who's the other girl he dated?
Yeah.
Kestrel?
Hey, come here.
Amber Rose.
Amber
Rose, yeah.
It went
there you
all
go.
downhill. It all went downhill with Amber Rose, and then the whole Beyonce and Taylor Swift thing, dude. Dude lost it.
Yeah, he's a boner now.
Like,
How's his Gap deal doing? How's Gap doing? Have they even released shit together yet?
knowing him, he probably wanted to overcharge him for some shit, and they probably couldn't agree to something. But no one has talked about it since
The announcement.
rumor.
Really, nobody's talked about it.
Nope.
5
Deja,
minutes,
what positions
guys.
do you have
Nope.
open?
I have. Well, here, let me mute stream real fast. We'll find out tomorrow if I made a bad decision on AMD, which so far looks like it was a bad decision. This is where greed gets you.
This motherfucker.
3 minutes until close.
Facebook's having a nice bounce. Everything's kind of downtrending. Man, I really like Facebook, but that fucking gap, dude. That fucking gap is so terrifying.
And Facebook shouldn't keep going down, but if the
Yeah, I mean,
markets
that's a huge way
if the
down.
markets look like this tomorrow, then it could.
Typically, do you recall what happens usually after the day after the Fed meeting?
I mean,
Isn't
most of
that
those
usually
Fed meetings we had back. I mean, just look at the daily on SPY; it just kept going up, right? So most of those Fed meetings that we had didn't really do dick in the grand scheme of things.
well, I'm just gonna keep everything closed until tomorrow.
The problem is,
Smart move.
if this was just a like a bullish pullback, we shouldn't be failing like this. It should have kept going up easily. It only bounced for 2 days and it already retraced one of those days. That's not good. He bounced off the pivot, 2 days of bullish gap ups, and now we're retracing already. Very sketch.
Is it time for puts again?
I really wanted to take puts if it bounced to like 350-ish and then nuked. We're failing at 340. That's fucking scary.
We need to ask Master Dime since he's the put king.
He's already in puts. Oh, Walmart just nuked. That's fantastic.
1 minute.
Button them up, boys. Button them up.
I'm out for the day. GG's.
Yep.
Later.
Better, man.
Last week, everyone saw what the Fed has done is not enough, at least confidence-wise. I think they're doing fine, man. I think the Fed has done more than enough. Jobs are coming back very quickly with what Trump's doing. The market has already bounced all the way back. The only thing that is not where people want it to be is the wages with unemployment. And the Fed can't do anything about that. People think the Fed has power over a lot of the shit that they don't have power over. I think the Fed has done more than enough, but that's my opinion.
Wait, what do you mean wages? Do you mean like stimulus or like?
I mean, like the unemployment wages that they're getting. That's the only thing that I think is not where people want it to be. Like people want there to be more unemployment wages right now, but the Fed can't do that. That's not the Fed.
It's gonna fucking kill the dollar if you do that.
Oh, 100%. There's not going to be another stimulus deal before he's elected. There's no way, because the Democrats are doing everything they can to make him look bad. So they don't want there to be another stimulus. It's in their benefit for there not to be another stimulus. And the Republicans are not going to come up to what the Democrats want just because they're holding steady because they know they don't want another bill. You know what I mean? So it's a win-win for the Democrats. They stay where they are right now, and the Republicans come up to their demands, they win. They don't come down and they don't get a stimulus bill passed, they win. It's a win-win for them.
In your experience, do markets usually have like a major shift during the debates?
Oh, it's going to be volatile all the way up to the election, 100%. There's not going to be a major shift unless Trump like fucking blows the debates. If Trump blows the debates and his polling crashes, then the market will shift. But I think if he does normally, or if he does better than expected, the market should be fine.
The other half, the Republicans are divided in two now?
Yeah, there's like moderates, which are considered Republicans basically. You have like the moderates, and then you have the people that just will not pass anything with the Democrats.
So like Mitch McConnell, you would say he's a what?
I don't think he wants any stimulus. If he wants stimulus, it's like really low, I think. The big thing with the Republicans is they don't want to give a lot of funding to the states to fix all the problems with like the riots and shit, because they see that as the Democrats' problem. Before you guys all leave for the day, you guys green or red on the day? You guys know the drill. I think this last like 30 minutes probably shifted a lot of you guys. Green or red on the day? I'm slightly green on the day, but I gave away a lot of profits on AMD. Most of you guys are green. Awesome. You guys are red. Who are red? Were you red before that Fed nuke, or did that Fed nuke make you red?
Made me red.
Yep.
Locked in a bunch of profits before.
Emiliano, I think if Biden wins, there will be a big shift in a lot of the stuff that is going on in our economy for sure. Well, like I was telling people in Discord, and this is not political, this is just speaking on the economical side of it. If Biden does what he is saying he's going to do, which most likely he's probably not going to, but if he does, he is like the most far left president we will have elected in the past couple decades easily, probably ever. Probably the most leftist president we've ever elected, and very left-wing policies are not good for the free market. So if the stock market reflects the free market, it's going to go down.
I got a $100 bet with C's.
If he undoes a lot of the stuff that Trump put through, the market will go down. Because a lot of the stuff that Trump put through, like him or hate him, it helped the stock market. It helped the free market as a whole. So if he goes in and like immediately starts undoing the shit that Trump did, that's gonna hurt us. Or if he puts through a lot of the leftist stuff that he's talking about, it will hurt us. If he stays more true to what a Democrat is supposed to be, it's not gonna hurt the market. The market doesn't give a shit. It's only if he does that far left shit that he's talking about. Free this, free that, free this, free that. Raising taxes, taxing traders, all that shit.
All the duty.
You know, it's that time, boys.
Yeah, like the Green New Deal shit like that, that's not gonna help the market. The only sector of the market that would help would be like the clean energy market, if you were trading like solar or whatnot.
JMA, is it possible? This is probably impossible. Is it possible to stream y'all's games so
On
I can
Discord?
watch? Or
You can
Yeah.
stream it on Discord.
Yeah, I could do it all. I don't know if you want to listen to us, but
All right, guys, I'm gonna call it on
pretty fucking
stream.
toxic.
You guys know the drill, man. If you guys like the video, like the fucking video. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, same time. You guys are in Discord. I'm gonna post some analysis, as always. Probably late again. But yeah, post analysis. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.
Later, guys.